welcome back to our channel. It's another day again with this dancer. She loved that name, this beauty. Like, I'm so happy to be back again with her. I just thought there are some certain things ladies need to hear. For those of you that is new to my channel, you don't know I have a baby. Recently I actually brought Isaac out for a walk. I bumped into a friend of mine that I know for a very long time. So like we're just doing like new mom talk. She already have like 3 babies and 3 kids. I mean, she was actually saying, "Ah, congratulations and all that." We get into the talking and she was like, "Oh, are you breastfeeding?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm breastfeeding." She was like, "Breastfeeding, K? Are you breastfeeding? Why will you breastfeed?" I was like, because breastfeeding is the best, it's good for your baby. She was like, use formula for your children. Just use formula for all the children where I get. For those of you that does not understand Pidgin, it means all the children that she have actually used formula on them. Nothing happened to them. They are very healthy. But I was just trying to make her understand the reason why formula is the best. It's good for your child. Even scientists themselves, they have realized that no matter what is inside the formula, the breast milk is just original from God. You can never replace it. Though I'm not trying to say in this video, guys, don't get me wrong, that formula is not good. Formula is good. Do what is best for your child. Then if you're in a situation where you can't breastfeed, you can use formula. But if you are still in a situation where you can breastfeed,
choice.
when you have choice and you still decide you want to breastfeed, do whatever suits you. For me, I decide to breastfeed. That's why I'm doing it. Even sometimes I remember maybe I did not pump. I just use formula sometimes on Isaac once a while, not all the time. So I was just trying to make her understand that is what I like, but he was trying to tell me what I am doing was wrong. And that was not even enough. Now I feel like the lady was like, "Oh, don't you know the reason why I don't breastfeed is not just all about the breastfeeding? Don't you know when you breastfeed?" No, this is what she used. She was like, "Your breast go slack." She used my breast with slack. She was like, keep your breast so your husband may for the enjoyment. Not be sex with your young rich, so your breast go just slack. For those of you that does not understand Nigeria, she's trying to tell me to keep my breast, so I should not breastfeed, because so Tom will still be able to enjoy me, so I can still look sexy. For me, guys, I was just shocked. I was shocked because I've never heard something like that. Because of my husband, I should not give my child what he deserves from me as a mom. For me, guys, it was just shocked. I was like, you know what, you don't want to argue. I was like, my sister, I understand. Anyways, all of them good now. What we go do? It was like, it's okay. Do what you suit you, my sister.
You see, you don't want to breastfeed your baby, and because you said your boobs will go saggy. Even when you don't breastfeed. And you know, I remember like
if I have a baby, like for
I have a son.
You have a son. I say a baby. He's a big boy, and it's Isaac's oldest cousin. Isaac have a big cousin, Gerard.
Yeah.
Gerard is
9.
It's going to 10. Yeah.
I just want to ask a question. Is there any girl, let's say if you're already dating, is your breast still like standing? You know, when you were young, it's still that orange. You know, that orange shape.
Orange?
No, it's never. Because of the massaging, the touching, all the thing goes down. That's saggy. So whether you breastfeed or you don't breastfeed, it's still going to go saggy.
Yeah.
You wouldn't advise anybody not to breastfeed because Isaac is entitled to Abby's boobs.
Yeah, that is what God created it for.
Yes, it's made for Isaac, not for Tom.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, let's be real, guys. I decided to do this topic because it was so interesting that I told her, I was like, "Efe, come and talk in this matter because I don't know what to say." Let's be real. What I'm asking you now, what did God create these boobs for?
For breastfeeding. Not to look sexy, not to look on point. No, it's for yeah, not to look on point. It's to breastfeed.
Yeah.
So and then now you have a child, and then you're saying you don't want to breastfeed because of your husband, or because you still want to be able to feel confident about yourself. Like when you're going out, you wear all those spaghetti and everything. Who are you going out there to show yourself for?
Yeah.
No, nobody.
I find it shocking for someone to tell me your breast go slack because of my baby. If maybe I'm the type that does not really know what breast is made for, I might say, I don't breastfeed again. Like if you're that type that have that mindset of because of you want to have the saggy boobs, you don't want to breastfeed your child.
Because you don't want to have a saggy boob.
If my breast will sag to my toe, let it sag.
Yeah, let it sag. You know what?
Let it sag.
The reason I'm saying this, if you like to breastfeed or not, yeah, if for instance everybody is going to die, yeah, someday, I like my breast to be saggy to my toes, toes, I'm still going to go with it. If you like, keep it to your chest. Like it should go nowhere. You're still going to take it away. It's not something you're going to carry on forever. You know? So it is better you give it to your baby. It is meant for your baby.
It's meant for your baby. And I think for a husband that really love a wife.
Yeah.
And because because your wife now have a saggy boobs, you will not enjoy your wife anymore. Then your husband that love a wife should understand the reason why when he met this woman, her breast was not like this.
It is only when a man is a shit.
Yeah.
Eating blood flowing in their vein already. That's when the position of the boobs change.
Yeah.
Then they will go out to shit and be looking for those orange sides, you know.
Yeah.
But the fact is that I don't think because your boob position have changed and your husband will go out there be looking for
more of an orange shape.
That Abby gave birth to Isaac, and Tom knows that it is because of Isaac, the coming of Isaac, that changed the position of Abby's boob.
Yeah.
Simple as that. So for that reason, he should appreciate Abby the more.
They should appreciate me more. Should know the reason why.
Every changes in her body is because of Isaac. If not Isaac,
even look at my belly. I'm still trying to get it back.
Yes. If not Isaac, her body will remain the same. So that man should value the woman not because of that, the saggy, or because it's slack. Now the man will be looking outside and said, oh, or the woman now will feel less confident and saying, oh, I'm not on point anymore. I don't feel sexy. No, you see me, I have a song. I feel sexy. Who find past me? I'm the most beautiful woman on earth. If I go out there, I don't care who you are. If you like, you go do silicone. If you like, your boobs are pointing. If you come close to me, no, you can't belittle me. No. I have that self-confidence, my dear. Yes, with my saggy boob. Yes, with my saggy boob, I have that self-confidence. I do not care. I am beautiful.
Yeah.
Epitome of God's beauty.
Yeah.
The perfect example. So nothing will take away my confidence. So me, I'm going to breastfeed.
Yeah, Efe, you actually breastfeed. Like Efe did that long time ago. Like she breastfeeded, and I thought this topic would be very interesting for Efe to talk about. I'll be very happy for me to see people's opinion. The video is not all about should I breastfeed or formula. I'm not trying to say what is the best. What I'm trying to argue here right now is that does it mean that because you breastfeed cause saggy boobs? Okay, I will want to answer that, Abby. Naturally, even if you keep on touching the boobs, it will go saggy. You know, when you're pregnant and then it's kind of enlarged, and now that the make everything is gone and it comes back, then it will be saggy, obviously. So people myself might be, oh, I still want to look young. Your confidence as a woman can still remain whether your breast is saggy or not. There are some people their breast is not saggy. They are not. So it's like orange. Even when some people, even when they still breastfeed, they will remain like that.
They will still remain.
I have some friends that actually breastfed. So their boobs are still the same. Their boobs do not sag. It's still the same. For me, I don't really think it's the breastfeeding that causes.
The reason people don't do it is because they think that mindset is there that when they breastfeed, their boobs will go down. Once you breastfeed, it's for a child, like, you know, because it's meant to be. That's the reason for the breast. That's the reason you have it. So, but if you said you will lose your confidence as a woman because of your boobs, to me it doesn't make sense.
In creation, when God created a woman, the reason why God put that thing there for you is because of your baby. For you to nurse your child. That is how when people are pregnant, you see that their boobs will get fuller because they are preparing to nurse. God did all that for them already. That's why immediately they give birth, the boobs is ready to nurse the baby. That was the reason. Not because of their husband.
For those people who think that, oh, your boobs, like it's meant for your boyfriend or your husband, let me ask this question. There are some people who they've married before, let's say they have 4, 5 children or some 3 children, then they breastfeed, like their boobs is not saggy, really saggy. They end up finding a man who loves them.
They still see a man who loves them.
Yes, and then the man will love them, truly love them, even prefer them to that girl
with
that standing position, like, you know, not changing position, never standing position. So if then a man can still love such a woman, so why are you feeling, oh, I don't have confidence, I can't breastfeed. If I breastfeed, I won't be on point anymore, my boobs will go out of shape. Like, it doesn't really matter. If a man wants to stay with you, they stay with you, they remain. Whether there is boob or there is no boobs,
they will still love you. I think look at yourself in the mirror, say, God, I thank you. You have made me wonderfully made. You created me, you know?
Yeah.
Like Efe said, Efe is so confident of herself.
I'm so confident, Jesus.
She's the most beautiful woman on earth.
Jesus.
You know? So I just decided to call Efe, like, so we talk about this. I think sometimes ladies need to hear this.
Yeah,
you know?
I would say, like, if you're a young girl and then like you're pregnant one way or the other, and then you're thinking, oh, I don't want to breastfeed my child, I still want to look on point. Of course, there's this bond between a mother and a child when you're breastfeeding. I wouldn't say if you're using formula, it wouldn't be as well. It will be, but I think there's more kind of bond.
That bond is
there.
Yeah.
Like he's staring at you, and then touching your boobs and everything.
Yeah.
I think it's a good experience for everyone. But if you decide that because your boobs doesn't want to go saggy and you wouldn't breastfeed, it's your choice.
It's up to you.
But it doesn't make sense to me. It's meant for the baby.
For me, I was shocked at it, guys. That's why I rang Efe and I was like, can you imagine? Efe was like, Efe was trying to tell me this, whatever. So I was like, anyway, to be good to actually talk about this with her instead of me saying it on my.
No, you know what feed your baby. They carry the boobs go heaven.
You know they carry, even when my boobs come sag reach my leg, make it sag.
If you like the flow.
If you like the flow, make the flow.
Enjoyment when God creates. Create say your pikin go enjoy. You say because you want the point, make the day of point they go. You know what feed your baby, and they carry they go on point. Even as some people, there are some people it's always on point. Even their husband will still leave them with that.
With that, so if your husband want to leave you,
breast, they will still leave them. But it's not all about that.
Yeah, it's all about love. When you see a husband that love you, your breast sag, not sag, you will love you.
It doesn't make any
And let's try for the baby as well. Let's try for that baby. Just try to breastfeed.
If your option is I prefer formula, not because of anything, maybe because I'm lazy to go, because I'm lazy, it's painful, it's understandable.
I hope you guys like this video.
I hope so.
Well, anyways, guys, I really enjoyed this topic. It's a very interesting topic. So if you guys want us to talk about more topic, about all the married thing and all that, don't be wrong, we invite her fake. She's so funny. You see the way she is now, that is the same way she is in real life. I think it's because she's a camera. That's why she's in the camera.
No.
But anyways, guys, she's asking me if it's finished. I finished it.
Yeah, it's okay. My advice to people, if you're pregnant and like be looking forward to breastfeed, I think it's a joy of a mother to do that. Anyways, it's a joy of a mother. But if you decide to use formula, it is okay.
Just go with your choice, but just make the right decision,
Because I was thinking of something. See, like the way that lady was like, because she's in control of the boobs now, she doesn't want to give it to the baby. Let's say the stomach. You're not in control of the stomach. After giving birth, they still like it lose shape. You can't control it. You can't say because now you don't want your stomach to go out of shape, you're not going to give birth. This time you're not in control. The baby is in control. You understand?
Anyway, they still control it by using those waist trainers. It's not just straight away.
Yeah, that's why there's bra. That's why there's bra. If it goes out of shape, you use bra. It's same with the stomach. If it goes out of shape, you use the waist trainer, isn't it? So if you can use waist trainer, then use bra as well to top it up. You see, like mine, I'm using bra. Yes. I'm using bra
to shape it.
And with my stomach is out of shape as well. So I use waist trainer to hold it. If I hold it, even the girl with the slim, like with the best shape, can't even stand close to me. It doesn't really matter, even if I'm using waist trainer. All that matters is my figure, how I look. It doesn't have to be natural. Yes, it is still natural. I'm still natural. I have baby already. Yeah, she might have baby and then go to, let's say, to gym and exercise and do all that. I don't have time for that. But that does not mean I can still be confident about myself.
Be confident.
And look good if I want to look. And I wouldn't deny my baby of my breast.
Never.
No.
Never. But anyways, guys, that is it. Just leave your own comment, what you think about this topic in the comment section. I would love to see everybody's thought about it. Anyone is good, formula breastfeeding, but not for that reason of, So that's it, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys have any other topic you guys want us to discuss, just let us know in the description section. We'd love to hear it, guys. So that is the end of this. Thanks very much, Efe, for coming, for tuning in today.
Thank you too for watching.
So God bless.
Bye, ciao.